Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed. Today we are going to unbox GoPro Hero 9. Let's jump into the video and let's take the GoPro Hero 9. This is the Hero 9. Let's take the packet out. And we will take the cage out. And guys, this is the box. Focus on this one. And let's focus on my face. It's my new camera. You can check my new camera's unboxing video in the end of the video. Until then, keep watching and let's unboxing. Before unboxing, first of all, let's see some features of this. This camera has a 20 megapixel sensor, which is better than iPhone camera, which is 12 megapixel, and this has up to 5K 30 FPS and 4K 60 FPS plus 1080p up to 240 FPS, which is superb. Yeah, you can shoot nicely the slow motion videos and you can slow mo up to 8 times. And this has voice control, and this is waterproof up to 33 feet depth or 10 meters. And this has 1080p live streaming for the raw pictures and videos, and super photo plus HDR, and it has Hyper 3.0 stabilization and data overlays and time wrap 3.0, and easily use this camera as a web camera because this has USB-C. You can charge using USB-C type. Let's go and unbox this. Let's pick this, draw it, and let's take the casing out first of all. So this is a very nice casing, and let's open this for the first time. Here you can see this is the accessories. First of all, this is the USB-A to USB-C cable. These are the connectors where you can connect to helmet or any other things, and there is a screwdriver where you can connect like this. Let's keep this aside. And you have the battery, which is important. You get only one battery, and the manuals and the instructions. There is a very easy instruction, and you have the QR code to download, which is very useful. They have given the QR code, and you have some FAQ, frequently asked question book. We don't want these. And let's take the GoPro. We have nothing in the box. Let's put these things inside and let's go to the GoPro, and let's switch on the GoPro first of all. I don't think we need the cable for now because I guess they have charged already. And let's take the GoPro out. We'll insert the battery first of all. To insert the battery, you should open the lid from here. First of all, you should slide up the bottom part and drag it to the side, and you can insert the micro SD card and the battery. Let's check the side and insert the battery first of all. And here it's the USB-C to use as a web camera or charge the battery. Otherwise, you can charge the battery by using an external battery charger, but I don't know why they have given the USB-C charger inside the lid. They should have given both sides. And the additional feature which is more useful to have in Hero 9, Hero 8, Hero 10, that is inbuilt is waterproof. We don't want to use any covers to use as a waterproof. And guys, first of all, we will on by click on this button. It's switching on. So it's GoPro. Here you can see the front screen. It's loading GoPro, and it's asking for the language. Click on English, and it's asking for the legal stuff. Agree. GPS on. Quick app. We want the quick app to finish setup, so let's set up this by using another iPhone. First of all, you should search for GoPro quick app, and you can just click on open. By the way, it's asking for language here. Click on OK and agree, and GPS on, and here let's go to yes, I have a GoPro. Where are my GoPro?
allow notifications. Got it. Let's switch on the Bluetooth and connect to GoPro. It's loading here. Webcam camera. Pair. Now it's connected. Still pairing. Yeah. Name. Scroll asking about the subscription. Got it. That's all. Now let's check some settings here. Standard. There are some mods here. Cinematic, slow motion, 4K active. Sorry, it's only 10% and there is no SD card. And you can see that we can control using our mobile phone. Yeah.
The recommended video, the recommended links also in the below description. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and share. We'll see you in a new video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.